Welcome to another video of HomeRise. This is a video for investors. I'm here with Sebastian, my partner, and we're gonna show you this property that is already done, and he's gonna show you everything that we did here in this property. By the way, this property is like very close to the university, right?
Morgan University.
How far is it?
It's like 2 minutes from here.
2 minutes from here?
Yeah.
Okay. That's really important when you're gonna invest in a property here in Baltimore City, and then show you what we do here.
All right, so let's go.
We'll start from here. You did the...
We did a concrete driveway here.
Big driveway.
Yeah,
so how many
driveway.
cars?
So he, honestly, he can fit like
6
to 8 cars.
It's big.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
It's incredible,
This is something that not every property has.
Exactly.
Also, this property was eventually, it was a single family, right?
Was a single family,
Okay.
yeah.
And now?
And now it's a it's a multi-family, 3 apartment.
Okay,
we converted in 3
That's
family.
something that is really important. We converted this to a multi-family. Right
Yes.
now it has 3 separate units.
Yep.
And it has a lot of potential now.
Right.
And now let's go this way. This is gonna be what? You told me what's gonna be a laundry room,
There's gonna
right?
be a laundry for each apartment. So
okay, so we're gonna have the laundry here.
we are,
Space
it's not
here.
done yet, but we are working on it.
We're working on that.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And then we have the AC system here.
Got new electric.
New electric. Everything. New windows.
Got a
nice.
new AC system here.
It's beautiful.
All right.
And you got the new fencing too, right?
We got a new fence, yes.
Which is beautiful because it's high, so you don't see the neighbors, right?
Neighbor
You
right
can't
there.
see
Yeah,
nobody.
can bother
it's
you.
beautiful. You have like a little.
And we got a egress window here.
egress window in the basement.
That's an emerging exit.
You go to the inside. Oh, you do the deck
That's
here,
a new
right?
deck.
New deck.
What's a deck here? What's a
a deck before?
Deck before, but it was a concrete, but it was not in good shape.
No.
They
had to redo everything?
Yeah, we do it again.
Okay, perfect. You do everything with permits here, right?
Yeah, all with
Permits,
permits. Yeah, all with
That's
permits.
good. Everything is.
Oh, let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Check it out.
All right.
Okay, so
Come on, guys.
this is one of the units, right?
The first unit is in the first floor.
This first unit.
Yeah, we got a permit right here.
The permit. Okay, so we got the kitchen here. New kitchen, new cabinets. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the granite.
Yep,
Everything is new.
that's all new.
Okay, so this is the kitchen, and then we're gonna show you.
Everything's new.
Yeah, everything's new. I'll show you
Yep.
the fridge, everything, kitchen. So this is the kitchen for the first level, and then we have what? This is the living
This is
room.
a living room.
Living room right here.
It's a living room, and
What do you have here?
that's a closet.
Okay, so you have a closet here.
Yeah,
Okay,
this house is a huge house.
huge, right?
Yeah,
So you have the living room, and then we go
living
into
room there,
living room.
and we got a furnace.
Okay, here's the furnace,
This is the furnace. This is a heat pump.
heat pump. Okay.
Right. This is a first bedroom here. This is a master. This is the master bedroom. Yeah.
Master, very important because some people really like that when they're gonna rent or you have a master, for the main couple of the family.
We got a closet right there.
Closet right here.
Yeah. This is one closet. And we got a bathroom. This way.
Here, check it out.
You're gonna love
Beautiful.
it. You're gonna love it.
Beautiful. Look at the lights. I love the lights in the ceiling. So beautiful. It has a speaker too, right?
Yeah.
Speaker system. Wow.
If you wanna take a shower, you can
Amazing.
listen to music there.
Take a shower, you put your music. Okay. So we have the smoke detector.
Yeah. Smoke detector in each bedroom.
Each bedroom needs a
That's
smoke detector.
bathroom.
So we have another bathroom right here. This one, let me see, lights
You can
on.
turn on like.
Is on? Okay. This is a shared bathroom. Everything is beautiful also. New vanity, new toilet, new everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other thing you get let me show you something. Look at this.
Oof,
Nice.
that's an extra touch.
Look at this.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, that's for more light. Okay, so now we have another room right there.
Yeah.
That way.
Another room right there. The second bedroom.
Okay.
Got a closet.
No
So
closet.
2 closets.
2 closets.
Yes.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Some houses here in Baltimore, they have really tiny closets, and this one has 2 closets. That's really good.
Yeah.
Really good. What do you have there? An access panel?
That's the access panel
That's
for the bathrooms.
for the bathrooms?
Yeah, water lines.
Okay, that's really good because
Yeah.
some houses doesn't have
Smoke
access
alarm.
panel. Smoke alarms.
Yep.
The paint is beautiful. I like the color.
It's nice.
And then you have, what do you have here?
That's a closet.
Okay, you got
It's
a
a
closet here.
regular
Can you open
closet.
the closet?
It's just a closet right there.
You have our stuff here right now.
The stair was there
materials.
before.
Huh?
The stair.
Oh, the stair was there? Yeah,
Yeah.
I was going to ask you that. You have a stair here?
Yeah, the stair was there before to go to the basement,
Okay,
but
to go to the basement.
now we close it.
Okay, now we close it because now it's a separate unit now. The basement has a separate unit.
Yes.
And then we have another room. Wow, it's pretty big.
Yeah. This is another bedroom. Okay.
It's another bedroom right here.
And a two closet also.
Two closets. Does it have a, oh, this is the front entrance. Oh, nice.
Yeah. That's why I have the drivewyer there. I have to finish
Okay,
up
you're
this
gonna close
part.
it here?
Yeah,
Because
we're gonna
you
close this.
This is the entrance to the other unit,
To the
right?
second apartment, yeah.
Perfect. Alrighty. So,
This is the front.
okay. So let's go
Okay.
to the other unit.
Yeah,
This is the
other
front of
room.
the house. That was the back of the house. This is the front
Hey,
of the
come
house.
here. This is new. All this is
Here.
new.
The front is new. The porch.
Front porch.
Everything is new. And new handrails
that.
right here.
It's a
Everything.
nice view.
Look at that view. Beautiful. Okay, so this main entrance is for the other level,
Yeah.
second level.
Up level. Yeah.
Yep. So this is
all
gonna
the
be
way.
closed right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is gonna be the entrance for the other level.
Me.
Okay.
Right here.
It's pretty big also. Same
Same
size, right?
layout. Same layout.
How
Same
many
size.
square feet does each level has?
I believe it's 15.
1,500. That's pretty big.
Yeah. 1,500.
Okay. So let's start from here. This is the kitchen, of course.
Yes.
Same layout.
Same layout.
Beautiful granite.
Yeah.
New cabinets, handles, and then you have a deck here, right?
Yeah, we got this is the good thing for this second floor apartment.
Come here.
We have a
Little deck.
we got a deck, we got that exit door here in the back.
So you also have an exit door through the back, that's amazing because not all the houses have that. So you have a separate entrance to the back. You can go to the front, to the back. If you go to the laundry, because the laundry's gonna be there in that.
Yep.
that
Parking
area
lot
right
there. You can make your
beautiful.
barbecue here if you want.
You can do your barbecue. You can do your little party here.
Yep.
Okay, so let's go. Show me around this one. So
Closet.
little closet here. We got some material still in there. We got the living room right here.
It's a living room, yes.
Living room, pretty big also. How about another room?
Another bedroom there.
Another bedroom. I like the size of these
yeah.
bedrooms. They're pretty big. Like most of the bedrooms
nice
here in
size.
Baltimore, they're pretty small, and these ones are like
Yep. Huge
nice
closet.
space. Yeah.
And smoke alarm everywhere.
Smoke alarm,
Like,
of
yeah.
course, can't forget that. Recessed lights here.
Recessed
they're
light, yeah.
beautiful. I love that. You have a lot of illumination here.
Yep. And we got this.
Another room right here,
It's another room.
which is also pretty big.
Two bed, two closet. Same layout like
Same layout.
downstairs.
Yeah. We have two closets here. Have the access panel. And then smoke alarm, always.
Bathroom.
Bathroom
Can
here.
turn on the light. Yeah. You see.
Okay, so the same style also. Beautiful. I love the tile. Do you also have the lights here on the ceiling?
Yes.
So you have the lights also on the ceiling.
All the bathroom has it.
All the mirrors with the
This
LED.
LED video. Turn on the light here.
And now we have another room. So
This is the master.
every unit has three rooms.
Three bedrooms. Yeah.
One is a master, then other two big rooms, which are huge.
This is the
And
master
then
room.
this is the master. You have your own bathroom here. Also, same layout as the other one. Look at space.
Oh yeah, it's a nice
Amazing.
space.
And now we have another unit, right? This is a
Yes, that's the
multi-family.
basement.
Okay. How do we get there?
Let's go outside. We gotta go outside there.
We're gonna go through the outside part.
Yeah.
Now it's completely separate.
Everything's new. Cabinets. Everything.
Yep. And the question is, who can rent this apartment here? Do you think like the kids
Students.
the students that go to school?
Yes.
That's-
This is it's a good area where you can rent it. You can rent each apartment to $2,500 each apartment.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
amazing. So you have a
Not including no bills. So
no
just
bills.
the permit.
Okay, so you had 25 per unit. You're talking about 7,500
Yes.
a month that you can make on this multifamily.
And the
Wow,
good
that's-
thing, who's gonna rent it? That's the good question.
Yeah,
Students.
students.
Yeah.
You have right there. University is really close here.
Morgan
Now we got
University.
Morgan University. And now we go to a basement.
I hope I got the key here. Remember.
It's a basement. Nice. Wow, this is beautiful for a basement.
Same thing.
Okay, same thing. Got the same.
Got a kitchen right there.
Kitchen right
Let me
here.
turn on the lights.
Same,
Right there.
same granite,
Yep.
same cabinets. Love these handles. You got the
Backsplash.
backsplash. Then you have, this is a vinyl floor, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. I like this vinyl floor.
The vinyl flooring.
Okay, you got the recessed lights.
We got one bedroom here.
You got about one bedroom here. Oh, nice. You used to have a
Chimney.
chimney here.
So,
What do you know?
yeah.
Have lights now.
So that's why we
Smoke
add
alarm.
this. The egress window
Okay. This
is
is
very
another room.
important because this is the last bedroom.
Okay.
So you need an emergency exit for this bedroom,
Okay, just for this one?
just for this one.
Okay, so you remember this, just for this one, you need an emergency exit. That's the egress window right there.
Yeah.
So this is a
Closet.
big closet.
Yeah.
And you have another room here, right? Two more.
Yeah, we got two more here.
Two
we
more.
got four bedroom in
Four
this.
bedrooms
In
in
this.
this. Okay. This is a small room, but still. I mean, you can fit a bed in here. You can do your new have a closet there.
Got another bedroom here.
Have another bedroom here. Nice size bedroom. Same thing. Do a little closet right here. And put a door here. And then what's that?
And we have the bathroom. The
And
bathroom for this.
This is one bathroom for everything?
Yes.
Okay, so this one has one bathroom for all the
For the
all
four
the
bedroom.
rooms, which is the same style. Beautiful. We have four rooms. Nice. I like this layout too. It's pretty big. It has an amazing.
Pretty big.
All right, now let's go outside and talk about a little bit of the numbers because I want to know the numbers. I'm sure.
I
they
know
wanna
you
know
want.
the numbers
I know.
too.
I know you want to know about the numbers.
And how was the conversion process? Because it was a single family and now we converted to a multi-family.
Yeah. So like, this was a single family,
Okay,
and we purchased for $375, right?
let's go around.
All right, sure. Purchased for $375. Okay.
375. That
Yeah.
was the okay
And
purchase price.
yeah, let me see, the number says 280. Yeah, labor and material. We spent 280,
280.
280K. Yeah, $280,000.
Okay.
That's what we spent on the labor and the material for the 3 units.
So we are 630, right?
Yeah, 630.
Okay, so that was 630 was everything with purchase and material and labor, right?
Yes, yes.
And how much is this property worth right now as it stands right now?
So this is the thing, like if you want to sell the house right now, let's say if you want to sell it, in the market right now, you can get it like 8 to 850.
8 to 850.
Yes.
That's to sell it right. If I want to sell it right now, so I can make around $200,000.
$200,000
Wow,
a
that's
profit.
crazy. Imagine
Yeah.
that. 200,000.
Why?
this
Because
house.
you converted into 3 apartments.
Exactly.
It's more profit there.
Exactly.
Like
Of course.
that's what I told you. If you rent it for 2,500, so you can how much you can make in a month.
7,500 a month.
That's what I'm
Wow,
saying.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So,
Also, if you want to keep it, rent it, after 6 months or after 3 months, you can refinance it. Like
Refinance.
they can give you 75% from the profit.
from the okay, the value that's
Yeah.
really important. You can refinance your property and then get 75%, and then you can continue to do another one like this,
Exactly.
or you can invest in another property, single family. It doesn't matter as long as
Yep.
you keep the money flowing, you know. Okay, so this is one of the properties that was finished. I don't know how long did you finish it? Like a month ago?
Yeah, a month ago.
Okay, a month ago. Okay, so this is one of the properties that we finished like a month ago, and we're always looking for investors to do this kinds of work. I mean, people think that Baltimore is really some people are scared, and There's a lot of potential here.
Yeah, it's a lot of potential.
There's a lot of potential.
Don't scare to invest in Baltimore.
Don't be scared. I mean, there's always
this is the gold place.
Exactly.
That's what I can say. Like this is the gold place.
There's a lot of opportunity here. They think, oh no, Baltimore. No. You have a lot of properties like this. You have
the only thing I can tell you, yes, it's about when you want to buy a property in Baltimore City, just make sure to hire the right people to do the job. That's the other very important.
Very important, because you know you have same as everything. You have a lot of people that doesn't do the job right. So Sebastian right here, best to do it. Look at this, it's beautiful. So that's what we're showing you right now. A property that was finished a month ago, invested like around 630,000.
Yeah.
You could sell it right now for around 850.
Yeah.
But what is the investor gonna do with this house? Do you know? Have you spoken to him? He's gonna rent it, right?
He's gonna rent it. Yeah.
Okay. He's gonna rent it. What are his plans? Just rent it right now?
He's gonna rent it and he's gonna get some money back. Like he's gonna refinance.
So he's gonna refinance. He's gonna get some money back.
Yeah.
And he's gonna keep renting it.
Exactly.
Everything is new. You won't have any issue in the future. I mean,
everything's new. Yeah, that's what I told everybody. If you want to rent houses, if you want to rent a apartment like this, multifamily, just make sure to do your new plumbing.
Okay.
Because man, you don't have time. You don't have time to come fix problems after you rent the property.
Exactly.
So
yeah, some people, they just leave it like that and then have a lot of issues. They have to come back and come back and come back. At the end of the day, it's more expensive.
More expensive, yeah.
You have a headache. So
yeah, and then I told the guy, so you can sleep 10 years in the house, no issue. Just you can receive the money there.
Just cash flow
yeah,
every month.
You got it.
So this is huge. I mean, look at this. We're always looking for investors that want to invest with us and do projects like this. We're open to everything.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep showing you what we do, and stay tuned for the next video.
All right.